If you want to start an affiliate marketing business or your current business is not really getting the results that you want and you're looking for something that'll help you level up your skills so that you can grow your business even more, then chances are you might have heard about the Freedom Accelerator course from Jonathan Montoya. Well, is the Freedom Accelerator program worth your hard-earned money? In this video, I'm going to give you a full and comprehensive overview of the Freedom Accelerator program, covering everything from what it is all the way through to how we can help you build a solid online business from the ground up. So if you've been wondering whether this program is going to be your ticket to success, stick around because I'm about to break it all down for you. And if it's your first time on this channel, my name is Chad from Purely Remote, the channel that is all about bringing you all the tips, tools, and resources to help you build and grow a successful online business. And when I started online, before expanding into working one-on-one with people as a coach helping them to grow their business, I started with affiliate marketing because I think it's the simplest and best way to get into the online game. And since starting my online business, which was about 2.5 years ago, I have bought quite a few high-ticket courses and programs, including Jonathan's, with prices ranging all the way from $1,000 through to $3,000. And what I've found from all of these is that not all courses are created equally. Some are awesome and super valuable, and then others not so much. And that's why I made this video, because if you are considering joining the Freedom Accelerator program and you kind of on the fence, you can use the information from this review to make the most informed decision on buying a program or joining a program that would best serve you and be the most valuable to you, and most of all, get you the results that you're looking for. First things first, what on earth is Freedom Accelerator? Well, it's an online course created by Jonathan Montoya, who is a seasoned affiliate marketing pro. He has built his business to over multiple six-figure months, and basically he has taken all of the knowledge and experiences that he's had on his journey, put it into this course to help you so that you can do the same. He's invested multiple six figures to work with coaches and mentors to be able to build his own business to a six-figure business. And then through this course, he shares that knowledge with students so that they can follow the same path and achieve the same results, but in a shorter space of time. And there are a bunch of people who he has helped reach $10,000, $50,000, $100,000. And I believe there are a couple that have even made, gone past their first million with their business through what they've learned from Jonathan's program. All right, let's take a closer look at what's inside the Freedom Accelerator program. The course is neatly packaged into 4 distinct phases, and each phase serves a unique purpose. Phase 1 is designed to get you results quickly, and it's especially tailored for beginners. And it focuses on identifying major problems to solve and then finding the best solutions for those problems. It also goes in detail showing you how to build an automated sales system, which includes showing you how to create a funnel so that you can capture those email leads that are so valuable to your business. And just to add that building an email list for your business is super crucial when it comes to getting sales for your business, whether it's low ticket or high ticket sales. You'll find that a lot of those sales will actually come from people who are part of your email list. So you'll be walked through exactly how to do all of that. What I think is a great addition, and this is especially for you if you are just starting out and don't want to break the bank spending monthly subscriptions to softwares, the course shows you how to set up and use both free and paid options. So if you are not a very techie person or you feel intimidated getting all of these systems set up, you'd actually really appreciate this. It's structured in a way that literally holds your hand through every step of getting things set up, from buying your domain to connecting your domain to setting up your funnels, building your email list. So you really have nothing to worry about. Then over here, the 5-second silent method is all about crafting short form videos that you are going to use to supercharge the marketing of your business. You may have already noticed that many people use short form videos to market their business for free. And in here, you are going to learn a strategy that works and also gets you results. Jonathan also gives you 100 proven to work short form videos that you can incorporate directly into your channels. And then over here, he shows you an exclusive hack on how you can gain 1,000 followers on TikTok overnight. Yes, you heard that correctly. Your first 1,000 followers on TikTok overnight. And one of the best parts of these phase 1 lessons is this section right over here, the DM closing section. At least that's what I think, because knowing how to close sales in the DMs is the quickest way that you're going to start bringing those high ticket sales into your business. And that's not just some theory. I say this from experience because personally I struggled quite a lot to close sales, especially high ticket sales, until I figured out and learned how to actually close these sales using DMs. And a great bonus that you get inside of phase 1 is that Jonathan brought in an expert in Facebook Reels by the name of Joshua Smith, and he has built a following of over 1 million people and also generated a ton of sales through using Facebook Reels. So in that lesson, he's going to show you how you can use Facebook Reels effectively for your business so that you can start generating that revenue. Phase 2 covers going headfirst into YouTube. So here you learn how to kickstart your own channel, how to use SEO like a pro so that your videos show up at the top of YouTube search, and also how to create highly clickable thumbnails. It also covers things like how the YouTube algorithm works and how to create the perfect video scripts when you are actually creating your videos for your YouTube channel. Now, a quick side note is that you could use everything that you learn just from phase 1 to start generating thousands for your business every single month. But phase 2 is what you'll implement when you really want to start seeing exponential growth within your business. You really get a deep insight to YouTube and creating your traffic generation strategy. Phase 3 is called increase conversions, and this is really where the game starts changing. In this phase, you'll be guided through the process of things like creating your signature lead magnet and also creating and including bonuses that will massively amplify your earnings. Phase 3 really is a game changer because without knowing things like how to create your perfect customer avatar or how to create your offer doc, getting sales is going to be so much harder for you. But all of that is covered in this section. Now, you will find that while growing your business, you'll only be able to take it so far if you are running everything on your own. At some point, if you want to grow and expand, you are going to need some more hands on deck. And that's what phase 4 is about. In here, the focus shifts towards building teams and implementing efficient systems so that your business can operate seamlessly, meaning that your business is still running and generating revenue and bringing in sales, even if it means that you are away on that well-deserved vacation. And in this section, to make your life even easier, Jonathan has included some done-for-you templates that you can give directly to the people who you are bringing on board as your team so that you can streamline the operation. So can you see how this course covers everything from beginning to end? Whether it's your day 1 and you're just starting out through to the point where your business has gained momentum and you're at that point of looking to expand and build a team, everything is covered inside Freedom Accelerator. And it doesn't just stop at the course. There are actually more things included in the package that you get access to. Along with the program, you'll also receive bonuses that will help you move forward even faster. One of those bonuses are access to exclusive private weekly coaching calls. And this is really an incredible opportunity to interact with experts in the field and to get your burning questions answered right away and also receive personalized guidance on your journey. And of course, I have something special for you if you do decide to jump on board Freedom Accelerator through my link. I'm including 3 months of one-on-one coaching calls to help refine on everything that you've learned in the course and to help you apply and implement those strategies to your specific business to give you an additional push forward towards reaching your goals. So you're really getting a treasure chest of value, and don't forget that you also receive step-by-step guidance, which is like having a personal map on your journey, which is useful especially for beginners. So this is exactly what you'll be getting once you get in on this program. Access to the Freedom Breakthrough course, plus all of the bonuses that Jonathan has included and valued at over $20,000. Plus my special YouTube offer, which includes the 3 months of one-on-one coaching calls and additional tools and bonuses to help you reach your goals even faster. All of these have been valued at an additional $4,500. So that's over $24,000 in value that you'll be getting. Now let's talk about the price. The cost to get into the Freedom Accelerator program plus get all of the additional bonuses is a once-off payment of $14.97, or if you prefer a little more flexibility, there is a 3-month payment plan of $5.97 per month. And for the additional bonuses and the one-on-one coaching with me, nothing. That's right, you don't have to pay a cent more for all of the bonuses and the coaching that I've included. So it's a total of $14.97 once off or $5.97 over 3 months, and you get everything that I mentioned throughout this video. And if you'd like to take a better look at this offer to see everything that you'll be getting, or maybe even take a look at some of the results from previous students of Freedom Accelerator, I have linked it down in the description. So here's the $1 million question, or the $14.97 question. Is Freedom Accelerator worth your hard-earned cash? Personally, I've bought quite a few of these types of programs, and I have yet to find something as comprehensive as what Freedom Accelerator is. especially at this price point. For example, some courses out there cost a good few $1,000s just to show you something like how to close sales in DMs or how to build and grow a YouTube channel, but those topics are all covered inside the Freedom Accelerator program. So in my book, it is absolutely worth it, especially if you're serious about affiliate marketing and learning how to carve out your own brand within the industry. And again, if you want to check out the offer in a little more detail, or if you're ready to join the Freedom Accelerator program, I have linked it down in the description. And if you found the information in this review helpful, I would be super grateful if you could leave a thumbs up on the video. If you do have any questions about the Freedom Accelerator program or the offer, drop them down into the comments, and remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be kept up to date every time a new video is uploaded onto the channel. Remember to stay bold, stay driven, and stay unstoppable. I'll see you in the next video.